Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama. Today I'm doing two main things. I'm going through my essential oil collection and organizing it, getting rid of bottles that are empty and combining like bottles and all that jazz. And I'm also making some Epsom bath salts. So let's get started. I learned this from Nikki Philippi. I will link her channel below. But basically, you get a bunch of Epsom salts, put them in a container, and you put any empty essential oil bottles inverted in the salts because there's always just a little bit left. So I already had a pile of oils that I knew were empty, and here I am organizing my current stash. I'm labeling the ones that don't have a label yet and seeing which ones are a little bit empty so that I can add them to the salts. You can add any oil to the salts that you think you would like. I mainly did lavender, frankincense, peace and calming was in there, and I did a couple citrus. I was a little scared about that, but having used the finished product, I really smell the citrus and I really love it in it. If you have an oil collection, this is basically free bath salts and will make an amazing Christmas gift, or just keep it for yourself as I plan to do. And if you don't have a crazy collection like I do, I have another video showing you how you can do the same thing with one or two essential oils that you may have. So I will link that above and below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and until next time, take care, Mama.